Hey guys, welcome to another video of Godzilla, Kong, and Kaiju News. Please like and subscribe to the video. And in this video I wanted to do, can my car survive this number 2? And obviously, as you can see, I changed my channel name to Godzilla, Kong, and Kaiju News. I'm going to change my description a little bit too. And anyway, let's get into the video. So the video is about, can my car survive this? Number 2. So first I got a car up here and it's gonna go, let's try and make it go down there. 3, 2, 1, go! It's stuck, man. Oh well, I don't think the car survived this first time. We need to try and get it to the bottom there. This is the second attempt. Put the camera down here. I'm gonna put it here. Please don't fall down, camera. There we go. Let's film this car going down here. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro. Already? Okay, third attempt. Let's see if this guy, what he does. Bro, everything is fine, but he just gets stuck on those things. Maybe if I clear them out of the way, it'll be better. Just wait. Attempts 4. I cleared a bit of the thing as much as I can do, and I hope the car does not get stuck. Anyway, let me position the camera in a different place. Okay. Let's make the car go. Bro, went further. But it's stuck again. Man. It's like this grass, dead grass is, or the grass around here is making the car stop, so that's the main issue. Attempt 5? And okay. He's gotta go down here. This hill. 3, 2, 1. I hope this car does not get stuck in grass. It's gotta go all the way down here. It's a bit of a hill, as you can see. Some junk about here anyway. Let's move the car. Bro! That went pretty far down. Okay, still going? Still going, still going. I want to see if he can come back up, right, bro? I just need to. Where is he on the camera, bro? I don't know if you can see him. Come on, bro. Do you think we can make him go up the hill? Or this is kind of a hill. Or a hump, maybe. Let's just call it the hill. It is a bit muddy here. But let's get this bad boy up. Okay, so my car's gonna try and go up this hill in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bro! Oh, okay, okay. Bro. You can go backwards, but it's difficult to go up. You need to find the right path. Come on. Bro, that's gone off camera. Go back in the camera. There we go. Not good. You got the car stuck. Car's stuck in the thing. Let's wait a sec. Hey guys, here, gonna make our car go down this thing. In 3, 2, 1. Can you see that? Bro, wait. This is another attempt. How many have we done? Don't know, but I'm gonna film it from here in 3, 2, 1. Let's. Bro. Okay. There's a car up there. Again, I don't know why it turned. Because I suppose, I don't know why. Let's see what happens if it goes down again this time. Oh my god. I just keep moving so much and it's literally puffing me out. I have to keep going and get the car and put it on the heap. And it's a little difficult to climb on a heap. Because when you put your foot on the thing, it sinks down a little bit. Because there's a ground in there is a bit soft. A bit like sand, but not as soft as sand, let's say. But you know, it's quite loose, I suppose, dirt. Anyway, let's get into this. Anyway, let's do this. Bro. Also, I know it's bro. Okay, let's try again. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, yo, okay. Come on. I guess my car did survive. Okay, so now our car's there. Let's see if we can survive that ramp thing. It's not kind of a ramp. Well, let's see anyway. That was sus, man. Sus. Or at least it was crap. I thought I was gonna do a jump, but it just came off, so I guess we'll maybe try something else now. Let me just find something. Wait. Okay, yeah. Now this car is gonna jump off that thing. And, I suppose, let me just tell you, don't try this at home. Okay? Unless you have a nice open space like this. Yes, but if you like a little house with, you know, a little garden with about a few meters wide, you know, it's not that long, because look how far this is. These loads of fields here. Okay, stand back. Let's get this car going. Let me just zoom in. There we go. Can you see? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bro. There's no freaking way. Why? Look, man. I try. Wait. It hits the pole. It's supposed to jump off the freaking thing. Just wait a sec. Let me sort this out. Yeah, okay. Hopefully it should jump out now. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's try that again. That wasn't really that great. Let me. Okay, so let's try it again. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. Let's do another one. Hey guys, I don't know what to do for the last one. I guess the one we just did was the last one, okay? So I don't really know what to do right now. Like, where to put my car. So I guess we'll just end the video here. By the way, there's where the other batteries for the car, just in case one in there runs out. So that's where I have my stuff to charge out the batteries and when I have the battery in. I'll end this video here. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.